Hello and welcome to Optimize. I'm Jason, a technical writer at Google.
And I'm Q, product manager at Google.
Today we're going to show you how to create a multi-page experience in Optimize. So what's a multi-page experience? It's just like a regular experience that you would create that targets specific visitors, but it's going to appear at different locations across your site. For example, it could appear on your landing page, your product page, and your checkout page. Here's how we're going to create it. First thing you have to do is identify the pages that you want to modify. Then you'll create your variants, then decide who should see them, and then determine what you want to measure. So Q, what are some reasons somebody would want to run a multi-page experience?
Yeah, Jason. So today we're going to show you a demo flower shop, and we've gone ahead, looked at, imagine some analytics data from Google Analytics. We noticed that what's happening is a lot of visitors are adding an item to the shopping cart, but ultimately they abandon and then leave the website altogether. So we have a hypothesis that we'd like to do today and implement, which is we're going to see if free expedited shipping can help increase and nudge folks into completing the purchase. We're going to try and promote this on two parts of the website. The first being the homepage itself, and then the second is right when you're at that shopping cart to try and get that nudge to finish. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here you see the homepage of our demo site, and then second is the checkout page. Now notice that I've already gone ahead and added an item to the shopping cart. So with those two pages, let's go ahead and jump into the Optimize homepage. So here we are. As always, we're going to go ahead and start by creating an experience. And then we're going to give it a name. So I'm going to say expedited shipping trial. It's already gone ahead and pulled in the homepage URL. And we'd like to set this up as an A/B test. So we're ready to go. I'll click create. Now what we need to do is we need to create a copy or snapshot of the homepage. And to do that, we're going to click Add Variant. What's actually going on is by creating a snapshot, we're just modifying the snapshot and nothing is yet live on your site. So now in order to go ahead and make those changes I want, I'm going to go here and click Edit. Great. Here's the homepage being pulled up. We're ready to go. I want to promote this front and center. And so I'm going to click on the CR collection, right click, and in this case, let's try to edit the HTML. So I'm going to say free expedited shipping. This BR is just so that it shows up on two lines. And I'm going to offer it only on the designer's choice bouquet. Let's take a look, apply. There it is right there. Notice the designer's choice bouquet is one of many. The idea here is that we're going to try it on one, and essentially if future sales of that one are higher relative to the other inventory items, then that gives us some strong evidence that actually free expedited shipping is increasing conversions, and we might want to go ahead and apply it to all the products on our site. So with that, I'm done with the home page. I'm going to go up here to the top right, click Save, and done. Now, since this is multi-page, we actually now also need to make some changes to our shopping cart. So down here, if I scroll, you'll see the option to add a page. Page 2, I've already got the URL of the shopping cart, and so I've pasted it in there. I'm going to save. And now notice what happens is we've gone ahead and we still have page 1, which is our home page here. And now we have page 2 with a URL over here of our shopping cart. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit to make the changes I want. Here's that shopping cart page. Now this time I'm going to change the text there and right click. Instead of edit HTML, I'll go ahead and just edit the text this time. And just to nudge visitors, I'm going to say right here, free expedited shipping. Click Done on the bottom right. And great, that's the only changes I want to make there. Save and click Done. Okay, now the next step, as Jason mentioned, is who gets to see this, right? That's right here, as we can see under audience targeting. It's already set to all visitors coming to the website. And down here, when it says manage variants, you can see that 50% are going to see the original version of the website, and 50% are going to see the expedited shipping offer. So I'll leave it as the default set already there. Lastly, what determines who's the winner? So in this case, I'm trying to nudge folks to get to the checkout page. And so I'm going to add an experiment objective here to specify that. Choose from list. I've already got that set up as a goal in Google Analytics. So that checkout click of that button is what I'm going to select. And we're ready to go. The last thing I would do is run diagnostics to make sure everything looks great. And then back up to my variants. You can click preview on each one to go ahead and make sure that it visually looks correct. And with that, you just click start and you're on your way. Back to you, Jason.
Thanks, Q. That was great.
You're welcome.
So that's how easy it is to create a multi-page experience with Google Optimize. To find out more, check out our other videos and visit the Optimize Resource Hub.